Hope you all are good. We are here for grade one math. You can find the lessons on ablestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to page one math, and then click on the all lessons. There you can find the rest of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter countdown and the patterns. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the board examples and calculations as well. But I'm on grade one math. Chapter we are on right now is counting and number pattern lessons. Let's just start with what I said that is counting videos. Then let's just start with the first lesson. How many bananas are there? You need to count. So let's just count that one and two. So we have two bananas. The correct option is two. Let's just start with the test questions. How many snakes are there? Let's just count the snakes. There are one, two, three, four, five, six. So you can correct options. Six snakes. How many balls are there? So which is the correct option? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So there are eight balls. The correct option is eight. One is the correct option. There are eight balls. How many balls are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So the correct option is seven. Seven balls. Option for me is the correct option. How many chickens are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. There are nine chickens. The correct option is nine. Option for one is the correct option. How many presents are there? Which is the correct option? Uh, Five presents. The correct option is five. How many turtles are there? So which is the correct option? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. There are 10 turtles. Option number three is the correct option. How many cars are there? The correct option is one. Option number one is the correct option. The last option is the correct option. How many dogs are here? Which is the correct option? Two. There are two dogs. Option number one is the correct option. That is. That is four. The correct option is four. Option number three is the correct. How many starfish are there? That is three. Option number. How many boats are there? There are six boats. The correct option. Six. Option four is the correct option. How many bugs are there? Yes, the option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself every day. You just need to nice lesson. The next lesson is how to build a pen frame. There are six doors on the frame. A full frame has 10 doors. How many more doors do you need to make 10? So you need to count the empty boxes, right? How many boxes are empty? One, two, three, four. So you need four more doors to make it 10, right? Because the complete frame has 10 doors. Let's just start with the test questions. Now there are nine doors on the frame. A full frame has 10 doors. How many more doors do you need to make it 10? The correct option is one. You need to wait only one door to make it 10. The correct option is one. You need, basically, you need the boxes, right? There are seven doors on the frame. A full frame has 10 doors. How many more doors do you need to make it 10? That is, we need three more doors to make it 10. The correct option is there are six doors on the frame. A full frame has 10 doors. How many more doors do you need to make that? So, which is the correct option? You need four more doors to make it 10. The correct option is four. Option number four is the correct option, right? There are eight doors on the frame. A full frame has 10 doors. How many more doors do you need to make 10? So, which is the correct option? We need two dots, two more dots to make it 10. The correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 it is. There are 9 dots on the frame. A full frame has 10 dots. So, which is the correct option? That is, you need only one more dot to make it 10. The correct option is 1 option. Number 2 is the correct option. There are 7 dots on the a full frame has 10 dots. That is 3. The correct option is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. There are 8 dots on the frame. The whole frame has 10 dots. How many more dots do you need to make 10? So, which is the correct option? You need 2 more dots to make 10. The correct option is 2. The last option is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson directly. Let me just move to next lesson. Science lesson is counting review with shades. So let's just start with the lesson. How many shades are on the train? You need to count the shades. So how many shades on the train? There are five shades. The correct option is five. Let's just start with the next question. How many shades are on the train? There are two shades. Option number two is the correct option. How many shades are on the train? Which is the correct option? Three. There's option. The last option is the correct option. There are three shades. How many dots are on the plane? There are five dots. Option correct option. How many shades are on the plane? Four. It is the correct option is four. How many triangles are on the plane? The correct option is two. Option number one is the correct option. How many dots are on the three? The option number three is the correct option. How many shades are on the plane? So which is the correct option? That is five. The correct option is option number three is the correct option. 200 times the last option is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Okay, today. Let me just move on. Counting tens and ones up to 20. Now count the dots. There are four dots. So that means we have zero, tens, and four ones. Count the dots. How many tens and how many ones? The correct option is three ones. We have zero, tens, and three ones. Zero, tens, and three ones. That is option number one. Count the dots. There are seven dots, right? So we have zero, ones, and seven tens. We have zero, tens, and seven ones. Option number two is the correct option. Count the dots. That is zero, tens, and one ones. Option number one is the correct option. Count the dots. So we have a frame of 10 dots and 6 dots right. So that means we have 1 10 and 6 dots. The correct option is we have 1 10 and 6 ones. Option number 3 is the correct option. Count the dots. So we have 0, 10s, and 8 ones. Count the dots. Let's just move on to the next lesson. We can complete the lesson. The next lesson is counting with complex shapes. So let's just start with the lesson. How many dots are on the frame? Only one dot. Let's just start with the text questions. How many shapes are on the frame? So which is the correct option? There are 5 shapes. The correct option is option number 2. How many dots are on the frame? Option number 3 is the correct option, only one dot. How many hearts are on the frame? There are 4 hearts on the frame. The correct option is 4. How many hearts are on the frame? So which is the correct option? There are three hearts. Option number one is the correct option. That is the how many dots are on the last option is the correct option. There are only one dot. How many triangles are on the plate? Which is the correct option? There are five triangles. Option number two is the correct option. How many squares are on the frame? Option number three is the correct option. Okay, option like three, there are three shapes. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. So we were working on grade two, grade one math. The chapter we were working on is the chapter we were working on is counting and number patterns. The lessons we have covered today are counting review up to 10, count to fill a 10 frame, counting review with shapes, counting tens and ones up to 20, and counting with complex shapes. So please make sure before the next session we complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. The tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. And questions you can ask if you have any. Questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.